start with the problem solving, and our example is x minus 3 over x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So the first step is taking the zeros, so x minus 3 is equal to 0. Transfer the negative 3 over the equal sign, and when you transfer a number over the equal sign, it will change its sign. So x is now equal to 3. Find that x of the denominator, x plus 2, is equal to 0. Transfer the over the equal sign, so x is now equal to negative 2. After you get those zeros, it was now the time that we put those numbers into a number line. So put a line and negative 2 and 2. This would be positive infinity, and this would be negative infinity. Notice that we have x plus 2 in the denominator, and if you have a 0 on the denominator, the function is undefined. So x plus 2 should not be equal to 0. Therefore, at negative 2, we should have an open circle. Open circle. It was not a perfect circle, but it would do. But the numerator can be equal to 0, so we're going to have a closed circle. Closed circle, closed circle. That wasn't perfect, but it will also do. Now, we need this fraction to be greater than or equal to 0. To determine if the fraction is greater than or equal to 0, we should group the three main regions, which were negative infinity and negative 2, negative 2, and positive 3. Lastly, positive 3 and positive infinity. So now let us do the calculation. Let's first start with this one. So negative infinity and negative 2. Find a number between negative infinity and negative 2. I choose negative 3. So the main function is x minus 3 over x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So x is now equal to negative 3. Replace the x's with negative 3. So now negative 3 minus negative 3, negative 3 plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Negative 3 minus negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Since the signs of the numerator and the denominator, when you divided it, it would turn out to be positive. So negative 6 divided by negative 1 is positive 6. So it was greater than 0, so it was correct. This one is correct. The next one is this one. So find a number between negative 2 and 3. Negative 2 and 3. The number I choose is 0. So replace the x into 0. x minus 3 is negative 3. 0 plus 2 is 2. Given 0. If you divide positive and negative, it would be negative. So negative, that would be the final answer because it cannot be reduced. So it wasn't greater than or equal to 0. So it was wrong. Next one is this one. 3 and positive infinity. The number I chose is 4. So 3 and positive infinity. X is now equal to 4. Replace the x with 4. 4 plus negative 3 and 4 plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 1 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So it was 1 6 is still greater than 0. So it was also correct. So there you have it. Your final answer is negative infinity, negative 2, union, bracket, 3, and positive infinity. So we use parentheses due to the open circle from the top here. And as you can see, we use bracket here because it uses a closed circle. So once again, the final answer is negative infinity and negative 2, union positive 3 and positive infinity. And that's it for our video. Thank you for watching. See you once again next time.